Now, Andrea, when a lot of my audience think about routers, they think it's that boring box next to my cable modem. What could possibly be exciting? Why should they care about this new box from Synology?
You know, Synology has designed this router. It's really a dynamic and exciting router, specifically because it's easy to control. And it gives you, the home user, even more control over your network. So, for example, we have excellent parental controls on our router that will allow you to go in and using an application layer QoS that will allow you to specifically come in, and we can show you this. Control your traffic so that you can, if you have a lot of devices on your network, that you can determine which one of your devices is the one that you want to prioritize for getting traffic, and which ones that you want to have customizable speed for. I mean, it's really great. Now you're like, why would I want this at my home? Let's say, for example, you're a person who ends up consulting from your house, and you're using one laptop specifically to do a lot of, doing a lot of consulting work, where maybe you work with high resolution images, or you're working with very large files, then you can prioritize that device over others on your network. But also, and this is one of the things that's really amazing about the Synology router. The Synology router has private cloud capability, and so it has an SD port on the side, and then it also has a USB 3 port, so that you can use your router as your own private cloud and DNLA media server, and it's only $149.99. And so that's one of the things that people really love, the price point, and also that you get so much more functionality out of a Synology router. In terms of parental controls, it gives you even more control over your network. So, for example, you can schedule, you can add a device, and schedule it by device. So, for example, if you want your kids doing their homework right after school and you don't want them surfing the web, what you can do is you can actually set up a block, and it's so easy with Synology, so that you block out the time so that they can't go surfing the web. Instead, they will not have access and they can just do their homework. Another cool feature in this particular router is that we also have a web filter. Now, this is really going to come in handy for people who have kids, people who maybe are sharing a network with others, and they want to control the content that those people are getting on their network. So what we've done is we're using a DNS web-based filter. And we've comprised group categories of sites, and we've already comprised these for you. We are maintaining these for adult content, for drugs, for hacking, for advertising, for malware, dating, and we allow you, the user, to go in and select what is a higher priority, what would you like to have blocked on your system. And it's a huge time saver because you don't have to go in and add each site individually. You can just go ahead and use our group level blocking. And you can also customize this. So if you want to, for example, add a site that you think, okay, well, maybe that one is fine, you can go back in and you can edit it. And you can do this by device. So that's one of the features that people really like. I mean, so if you, in summary, I would say, having the private cloud capability, having a DNLA media server, having application layer QoS, having these web-based DNS filters so that you can do group level blocking. I mean, all of that for $149.99. I mean, we're quite proud of it.
If the folks at home want to find out more about this new router or any of the products that Synology offers, where can they go?
Synology.com.